into your oven. I'm doing mine while Kenzie's not here right now, so I don't get in trouble for using the oven, putting car parts. Stand by the oven so you don't melt the lens.
Dinner's ready.
Little tiny hairline crack, but penguin. You got penguin. This is the way.
It makes the metal cold.
For those of you who have never beat sound detonating out of the car, you're in for a real good treat.
But until you've earned your guild crest, you can't forge steel and lumen.
Got them kind of polished out back, so you can see this shit starting to shine through that visible illumination. Next step, we're gonna take this tail light apart, taking this one off, And then we gotta cut out stock ones. So stay tuned. But anyway, I already sanded them, so I just need the clear coat pack. Just run it over. Got a little ghetto rig going on. Let me show you what I got going on with the LEDs. Feeling science 350Z clear custom unicorn taillights. That's how you do it, dog. Got taillights on. Nico and I got the sound deadening out. Here's the dash. We're ruining stuff out here. Trust me on that. I'm Timbo here, so still drives with nothing in it. Kind of just threw my seat in there. My shit is not safe.
Streets not safe.
Stepped in the dog shit.